Good. Choose 5 terms, 3 and 2, 5. Then we choose these 5 terms and a by r square, ar and ar square. In this case also common ratio is r, but we choose the number of terms in even, like 4 terms, 2 and 2, 4 here. In this case, common ratio equal to r square. In this case, if you choose 6 term, 6 is even, 3 and 3, 6. Here, this is 6 terms. Now we discuss an example here. If the sum of 3 terms is in GP 38 and their product is 1728, find them. In this case, GP has 3 terms, 3 is odd, so that we choose these 3 terms. Let us suppose that three terms of GP is A by R, A and AR, and given that the sum of these 3 terms of GP is 38 and their product is 1728 by question. Product equal to 1728. Product means this A by R into A into AR equal to 1728. RR cancel. A cube equal to 1728. This is cube of 12. 7 2 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 6 2 4, 2 4, 3 2, 2 1 6, 2 1 8, 2 5 4, 2 2 7, 3 9 and 3. Here 3 3 and 2 2 and 3, 2 2, 2 and 3. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. So that A cube equal to 12 cube, imply that A equal to 12. Value of A equal to 12. Now sum of three numbers in GP 38, so that sum equal to 38. It means that A by R plus A plus AR equal to 38. Putting the value of A equal to 12 by R plus 12 plus 12 R equal to 38. Here in this case, this implies that 12 plus 12R plus 12R square. We take the LCM 12 plus 12R plus 12R square. This comes here 38R. Now this is a 12R square. This comes here minus with minus sign. Subtract 12R. This is equal to minus 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 and 3. 26R plus 12 equal to 0. This can be written as 6R square minus, and dividing 2, 6R square minus 13R plus 6 equal to 0. 6 is 36 and 9 4 is 36. 6R square minus 9R six. Here in this case 9R plus minus 4R plus 6 equal to 0. 9 4 13R. Here we take the common 3R, 2R plus minus 3, and here minus 2, 2R minus 3 equal to 0. It means that 2R minus 3 and 3R minus 2 equal to 0. It means that R equal to 3 by 2 and this is equal to 2 by 3. R equal to 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. Putting the value of A and R in the series A by R, and we have find them and we find the series. Now here GP is A by R, AR. Here A equal to 12, 12 by R equal to 3 by 2, A equal to 12 and 12 into R equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to, this comes here 12 to the 24, 8, 12 and 2 6 any 18. That is series will be 8, 12 and 18. if we put the minus 2 by 3, that will comes 18, 12 and 8. Such type of this is our answer. Now find the 4 number of GP whose sum is 85 and product is this. Let us suppose that 4 number of GP A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. We can assume also that AR is for AR cube, but in that case problem solve, but different type of difficulty create. And if you assume that the 4 term is such type of this, then it solve easily. Now given that product is 4096, so that A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube is equal to this. 1 by R cube cancel, R cancel, A to the power 4 is equal to this. This is 8 to the power 4. So that by law of indices A is equal to 8. And also sum is 85 given in the question. So that A by R cube plus A by R plus AR plus AR cube is equal to 85. Putting A is equal to 8. Here 1 by R cube, 1 by R and R cube. Now 8 R cube plus 1 by R cube here and 8 R plus 1 by R here. Putting R plus 1 by R equal to X. Then cube both sides. R plus 1 by R के power cube is equal to S cube. As you know that x plus y के whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket में x plus y. We apply this formula and here R cube 1 by R cube 3 into product of this and bracket में R plus 1 by R here. R and R remove and this term comes here 3 and this is equal to x. Now this comes here x cube minus this. Now putting the value of R plus 1 by R and R cube plus 1 by R cube in this equations here 8 x cube minus 3x and plus 8x minus 85 equal to 0. 8x cube minus 24x plus 8x minus 85 equal to 0. This is minus 25x and plus 8x 16x minus 85 equal to 0. Here 1, 2 and 3. This is it has 3 terms, but here power is 3, here 1, so that it factorize only on the basis of remainder theorem. And for remainder theorem, we first of all this terms 85 it can be divided by 1, 5 and 17 by putting plus minus 1 plus minus 5 plus minus 17 in these equations, and we search when value of it becomes 0. But if we put the 1, that cannot be 0, 5 that also cannot be 0, 17, so that we put the 5 by 2 in this case 8 into 5 by 2 का whole cube minus 16, 5 by 2 minus 85, 5 5 जा 25, 125, 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 8 cancel and 8 5 जा 40 minus 85. This is equal to 125 and 125 equal to 0. so that x 2x minus 5 equal to 0. 2x minus 5 is the one factor of ever polynomial of this, and another polynomial we get on dividing on this, we get this is, so that it break in two factor. One is 2x minus 5 and another is this. If 2x minus 5 equal to 0, then x is equal to 5 by 2, and if 4x square plus 10x plus 17 equal to 0, in this case, we calculate the value of d, that it comes negative. It means that value of d is less than 0, so that its roots become imaginary and it is impossible, so that value of x is 5 by 2. Now r plus 1 by r equal to 5 by 2, and solving this we get the value of r equal to 2 and half. As we here a equal to, we have to calculate here a equal to 8 and r equal to 2 and half, r equal to 2. Putting this in this case, GP a by r cube, a equal to 8 but divided by r cube and 2 के power cube, a by r 8 by 2, ar and 8 into 2, ar cube and 8 into 2 के power cube. This become 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 1, 2 4 the 8, 8 to the 16, 2 to the 4 to the 64. So series will be 1 4 16 and 16 64. This is our answer. If we put r is equal to half, a equal to 18, a equal to 8 and r equal to half, we get the term GP in this type 64, 16, 4 and 1 only side in changing positions. Now we discuss another problem here. Question number 7. The product of the three number in GP 216. If 286 be added to them, the result are in AP. Find the number. Correct the product of the three number in GP. Let us suppose that three number of GP, three numbers in GP is A by R, A and AR. Now product of three number of GP is itna by question. Product of this equal to 216 A by R into AR equal to 216. R cancel. AQ equal to 6 के power 3. Now here show that A equal to 6, A equal to 6. Now second condition, by second condition, if 2, 8, 6 be added to them, the result are in AP. It means that 2 is added to this, A by 1 by R plus 2, A plus 8 and AR plus 6 are in AP. By the question, so that common differentiation so that a plus 8 minus a by r plus 2 equal to ar plus 6 minus a plus 8. Now with putting the value of a and solve, a equal to 6 plus 8 minus a by r and 6 by r plus 2 equal to a equal to 6 r plus 6 minus a 6 plus 8 here. So that 8 6 14 minus 6 by r minus 2 equal to 6r plus 6 minus 14. Now this comes here 14 minus 2 12 minus 6 by r equal to 6r minus 8. Now this is equal to 12r minus 6 equal to divided by r comes here 6r square minus 8r. This means that 6r square, this comes here minus 12 and 8 minus 20r plus 6 equal to 0. This can be written on dividing 2 3r square minus 10r plus 3 equal to 0. Now 3 3 is 9 and 9 1 is 9 and 9 1 10. So that this can be written as 3r square minus 9r minus r plus 3 equal to 0. Taking common 3r, here r minus 3 minus 1, r minus 3 equal to 0. Now we take common r minus 3, that is this is 3r minus 1 equal to 0. If r minus 3 equal to 0, r equal to 3. If 3r minus 1 is equal to 0, r is equal to 1 by 3. Now we get the value of r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 1 by 3. In this case, find the number. We have to calculate the number in GP. Here GP is a by r, ar, putting a equal to 6 by 3, 6 into 3, this is equal to 2, 6 and 18, and if we put 2, 6 and 18, if we put a equal to 6 and r equal to 1 by 3, in this case a equal to 6 and r equal to 1 by 3, 6 a and 6 into 1 by 3, this comes here, this is equal to 18, 6 and 2, this is our answer. Now we calculate the sum of the n term of GP. Sum of n term of GP. Prove that the sum of n term of GP with first term is A and common ratio is R is given by Sn equal to A R के power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 R. Sn is equal to A 1 minus R के power n divided by 1 minus R, where R does not equal to 1. If putting R is equal to 1, so that this is 0, this comes infinity, so that in this case R does not equal to 1. Let us suppose that our sequence in GP is AR square, AR cube, AR n minus 2, AR n. This is the n terms of GP, total number of terms is n, and this Sn sum of n terms here, multiply R in both sides, R Sn AR square, AR cube, this here, so that this comes AR के power n minus 1, this is equal to AR के power n, because R multiplied by R, this n minus 1 AR के power n. Now on subtracting 2 from 1, 2, this from 1, Sn minus this 2 from 1, this is negative, this cancel, this comes here, this cancel, and this is cancelled, so that this comes here. Now taking the common A 1 minus R के power n and Sn 1 minus R, so that Sn is equal to A 1 minus R के power n divided by 1 minus R. This is the sum of m terms of GP. Some authors also write that the both formula are different, but some authors also say that both formula is same. Sn can A R के power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, R does not equal to 1. We generally use, if value of R is less than 1, this use, R is greater than 1, this formula use. If L is the last term of the GP, that is L equal to AR to power n minus 1, so that this formula n here, A and AR to power n minus 1 and 1 are just here, divided by 1 minus R. AR to power n minus 1 is equal to L. This is equal to L, A minus L R but 1 minus R. Yeah, this can be written as L R minus A but R minus 1, where R does not equal to 1. This is the sum of geometric series where term is n, and now question number 8. The sum of first 20 terms of the sequence 0.7, 0.77, 0.77 is given by this. Here there 4 because A, B, and C and D. Now these questions asked in JEE Main 2013. Here now sequence is this is 0.70, 0.777. Now sum of 20 terms, we apply the sum here, 20 terms. This can be written as 7 by 10, 77 by 100, 1000. Now we divert this sequence as for the form of AP or GP. Here we convert this in the GP here. Now we take the common 7 and 9, so that 7, we take the common 7, this comes 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and here common 9, so that 9 1 is 9, 9, 9, 9, so that 7 by 9 we take, this comes 7 by 10, this comes and 9 by 10, this comes 99 by 100, and such type of this. Now 9 by 10 can be written and 1 minus 1 by 10, 10 1 is 10 minus 1, 9 by 10, 100 minus 1 and 99 by this. Here 1, 1, 1 up to 20 terms, so that 1 comes in 20 bar, 20 times, so that sum of 1 is 20, and minus take common, so that here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 20 terms. Here first, this is 1 by 10 is the first terms, and common ratio is also 1 by 10, 1 by 100 divided by 1 by 10, this is 1 by 10, 1 by 1000 divided by 1 by 100, this is 1 by 10, so that we apply this formula. 7 by 9, this is a 20, 1 by 10, a 1 minus r to power n divided by 1 minus r, a is equal to this, and this 10 1 is 10, and in 9 by 10, 10 by 9, here this remove, and here 1 by 9, 1 by 9, and here only this 1 minus 1 by 10 to power 20, 1 by 9, this 1 by 9 and 1 by 9 into these terms. This is 9 to the 180 minus 1, 179 by 9, and 1 by 9, 10 to the power minus 20. We take 1 by 9 as a common here, so that 7 by 81 and 179 plus 10 to the power minus 20, answer C. Now, like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.